Instastart ignition for matchless lighting, 7,650 total BTUs of cooking power. Fits up to a 10-inch pan. Lasts up to 1.25 hours on high on 8.8 ounces butane gas cylinder, sold separately. Adjustable burner gives precise temperature control, and large base offers stability for easy stirring. Durable porcelain-coated grate is easy to clean, and aluminum burner is rust-proof for years of use. Carry case included. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great camping stove for all occasions. Ignore those who say that it dents easily and it's cheap. It's a camping stove, not a cast iron, heavy-gauge steel stove. If you beat on it or drop it, of course it's going to dent. It's supposed to be lightweight, hence camping stove. If you want something heavy-duty, you're going to pay a lot more. This stove works great, easy to use, easy to install the gas cylinder, very safe. The temperature can be controlled, unless you're out in the wind, which would cause the temperature to drop. This isn't rocket science when using this stove. Flame on, flame off and adjust to whatever temperature is desired based on the type of pan or food being prepared. I would suggest investing in a set of pans made specifically for outdoor camping stoves. It will decrease your cooking time and use less gas. Coleman 8.8 ounces butane fuel works great.